In recent times, I've found myself on an immersive and profound journey into the realms of breath, embarking on an extensive odyssey of the exploration of enlightenment. As my research unfolds, it has become increasingly evident that the domain of breath can be elegantly split into two discernible branches, each possessing its own unique and intriguing significance. The initial branch, which we may describe as Esoteric breath, is known to you. It revolves around the fundamental act of respiration. This elemental process involves a rhythmic inhalation and exhalation of air, which in its essence sustains our physical existence. It is rooted in the elemental exchange of life-sustaining oxygen and carbon dioxide, constituting an indispensable and universal facet of human physiology. In stark contrast, the second branch, often referred to as the esoteric breath, delves deep into the profound realms of prana. This dimension encompasses a vast and intricate field that explores the cultivation and harnessing of energy within the human body. Prana, often denoted as vital energy, extends its dominion over every facet of our existence, including the potent and transformative realm of sexual energy, commonly recognized as Shakti. Within this nuanced tapestry of energies, we uncover an intricate interplay of forces where the alchemy of air, water, and electricity within the cerebral spinal fluid orchestrates a symphony of energies. Amidst this intricate interplay of energies, I find it imperative to emphasize what I perceive as a pivotal dynamic in the cultivation of sexual energy. Prana, as the quintessential vital energy force, exerts its profound influence over all dimensions of our existence, including the potent domain of sexual energy or Shakti. As practitioners delve into the cultivation of Shakti, a profound metamorphosis unfolds within the nervous system, particularly within the sacral region. It is noteworthy that fledgling practitioners may not be fully cognizant of the profound ramifications of this transformative process. In the absence of knowledge and proficiency in skillfully channeling this potent nervous tension through prana, there exists a palpable risk of encountering sexual frustration, colloquially referred to as blue balls, and the build-up of pelvic tension. However, practitioners of advanced expertise possess the wisdom and competence to adeptly reroute this potential nervous energy through the conduit of prana, thus mitigating the potential pitfalls and unlocking a profound wellspring of vitality. This process, though deceptively straightforward in its description, wields a profound and transformative influence. Through intention, breath control, and an understanding of the Mula Bandha or root lock, adept practitioners facilitate the circulation of this potent nervous energy, thus initiating a profound transformation within. This redirection of energy intricately parallels a fundamental concept embraced in various Eastern energy and meditation traditions, most notably in Taoist and Chinese Qigong systems, the microcosmic orbit. This practice involves the continuous circulation of subtle energy, often interchangeably referred to as qi or chi or prana, along the specified and sacred pathways within the body. This pathway forms an unceasing and harmonious loop, permitting the flow of energy to nourish and elevate the physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. The microcosmic orbit traces an elegant and sacred circular path within the body, comprising of two principal channels, each carrying its own unique significance. Number 1, the Renmai, or the conception vessel. This channel meanders along the anterior aspects of the body, commencing its journey from the perineum and ascending through the central axis of the torso, culminating at the mouth. Number 2, the Dumai, the governing vessel. In contrast, this channel follows the noble path along the posterior aspect of the body, commencing its journey from the base of the spine. It then ascends through the central axis of the back, neck, and head, ultimately reaching its zenith at the roof of the mouth. In simpler Western parlance, this intricate process can be likened to the deliberate and conscious directing of nervous or bioelectrical energy across the length of the spine, akin to an electrifying symphony. The practitioner synchronizes this intricate process with a deep and deliberate breath, involving the expansion of the belly, chest, and clavicle, or lower, middle, and upper lung, a full breath. Simultaneously, the engagement of the pelvic floor muscles serves as the conductor, skillfully mobilizing the energy within. This deliberate contraction permits the graceful redirection of energy, typically culminating in the storage within the lower dantian, or solar plexus, thereby establishing it as a profound reservoir of vitality and power ready for future use. The practice of the microcosmic orbit, steeped in ancient wisdom, yields profound benefits. These encompass the harmonization of energy flow within the body, the promotion of physical well-being, the cultivation of enhanced mental clarity, the augmentation of vitality, and in certain traditions, the potential for spiritual growth and access to elevated states of consciousness. Techniques for its execution can vary as they are profound, encompassing breath control, visualization, and focus mental intent. In addition to the aforementioned method, a practitioner can inhale the breath, deliberate and measured, while envisioning the ascent of qi along the front channel, or the renmai, from the perineum to the crown, followed by a slow, deliberate exhale, visualizing the descent of the qi along the back channel, or the dumai, from crown to the perineum. Some practitioners incorporate a gentle physical movement or postures to further facilitate the graceful flow of this qi. In summation, the exploration of breath unfurls a profound duality within its essence, encapsulating both the exoteric realm of respiration and the esoteric realm of prana. By encompassing the intricate interplay between these two branches, we unlock the immense potential to harness and direct energy within the body, particularly within the sphere of sexual energy cultivation. In this domain, intention, breath mastery, and profound knowledge serve as pivotal keys to unlock the transformative potential that lies therein, a journey of profound enlightenment and empowerment.